Hello and welcome to the SBE Presidents Netcast for January 2011. I'm Vinny Lopez, President of the Society of Broadcast Engineers, and I'd like to welcome you to our first video webcast. We're not abandoning our audio netcast, but we'd like to add video to it to be a little more interactive, to be able to provide you with a little more information and be a little more in-depth with some of the things that we talk about. It's been a couple of months since we last talked, and I'd like to go over a couple of the things that we've been up to. One of the big things that we're up to is we have a theme for 2011. Some of you may not know this, but every year SBE has a theme, and that theme is part of our membership drive as well as other programs through the year. The theme for 2011 is Raising the Bar, and we sincerely hope that in 2011 every SBE member attempts to raise their own bar by taking an SBE University course, maybe a webinar by SBE, and attending an Ennis workshop or a regional conference and convention, or maybe by obtaining a new certification level higher than the one they have already. Let's talk for a minute about SBE University. We've got a new course in SBE University called Broadcast Audio Processing. Broadcast Audio Processing is authored by Stephen Poole, CBRE-AMD, CBNT. He's the Market Chief Engineer for Crawford Broadcasting's Birmingham, Alabama stations. If you look and follow me on the website, there is information about that course. They give you the course content. They'll tell you what some participants thought who have taken the course, and they'll also give you a look at a snippet from the course exactly of what it looks like, the questions that are asked and how the material is presented. It is, as usual with all SBE educational offerings, eligible for recertification credit during your next recertification cycle, and we also have different pricing for members and non-members, as you can see. So it pays to be a member of SBE. You'll get discounts like this all over SBE if you're a member. So it's good. The other courses that are available at SBE University are Computer Networks for Broadcast Engineers, AM Antenna Systems, Voice Telco Networks and Studio Interface Systems, VSB, AM Antenna Computer Modeling, FM Transmission Systems, and Matching Networks and Phasing. Now, I have to say that I have taken an SBE University course in the past. I took the Voice Telco Networks and Studio Interface Systems course. And overall, I was really pleased with the way the information was presented, the flow of the course, plus I learned a lot from the course and was overall very happy with it. And you should check out the SBE University courses. The next item that SBE has been involved in 2010 and will continue to be in 2011 are webinars. Typically, these are online webinars, 60 to 90 minutes in length. The first one that we have coming up is the RF Safety course for broadcast engineers. SBE has been running this course for a number of years. The instructor is Richard Strickland of RF Safety Solutions, and over 650 people have taken this course since its inception. The course has a limit of 10 login ports, so if you'd like to reserve a login port, you can call the national office and reserve one. There are already a couple of login ports already established, one in Pullman, Washington, and another in Centennial, Colorado. So if you're in one of those locations, you don't need to get a new course. You can just go to the location of the login port and take the course right there. And once again, there's a staggered cost for SBE members. You're going to pay less than if you're a non-SBE member. So once again, it pays to be a member of SBE. We have another course coming up. It is a two-part course, Networking Technology for Broadcast Engineers. March 3rd will be part 1 of that webinar from 2 to 4 Eastern, and part 2 of that will be on March 24th from 2 to 4 p.m. You can take either one part or both parts. and we will give you a discount for taking both parts and a discount if you're an SBE member. If you look on the website, you can see the topics that are covered in each part of the course, so you will be able to decide which part of the course, or if you want to take both, you can do. And it also tells you a little bit about our instructor, Wayne Pacina, CPBE, 8VSB, AMD, DRB, and CBNT. He's the Assistant Director of Educational Broadcast Services in the Office of Information Technology at Texas A&M University. And this course, once again, is also eligible for SBE recertification credits. All right, another program that SBE has run for a number of years in cooperation with our Ennis Educational Foundation Trust are Ennis workshops. Now, typically, these are one-day workshops, either on radio or television or both. Sometimes they'll have a combined track with half the day for each topic, or they'll have separate tracks, one for radio and one for television running the whole day. We've got a couple of these coming up in Sacramento, California on February 12th, sponsored by SBE Chapter 43. And in Miramar, Florida, sponsored by SBE Chapter 53, on March 10th, we'll have another Ennis workshop. And you can look on the website and you can see that the Sacramento information is already up there. It's a low cost to attend because it's underwritten by the chapters, and we really think that you should check out an Ennis workshop this year. No matter what educational opportunity you take, or what you would like to know about SBE, you can always contact us. You may call the national office at 317-846-9000. Someone there will be able to help you. You can email us. You can email jpore@sbe.org. He's our executive director, and if he can't answer your question or help you, he will direct you to the person in the society who is able to help you. You can also email me, vlopez@sbe.org, and I will make sure your question gets to the correct person. You can also visit www.sbe.org. Our website, which has all of this information on it and plenty more. In fact, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Coming up within a couple of weeks, SBE will be rolling out a brand new website. And one of the highlights of this website that you're seeing now is it will have a local chapter calendar and some chapter pages where you can upload your information to. And if you're having a meeting, there's a calendar there for that. Or if you're having a special event, there's calendars right there for that. So we listened, and we're trying to make our website better and more interactive and easier to navigate for you. So I wish you all a productive year. I wish you all take my advice and raise the bar. And I want to thank all of you for watching our netcast. I'd like to also thank SUNY ESF Television in Syracuse, New York for their assistance in the production of this netcast. Thanks for joining us, and so long for now.